What's going on YouTube? How's everyone doing today? I don't have my camera, so I'm actually filming this on my iPhone X. Reason being, I didn't have my camera today. I wasn't really planning on doing a whole lot. I have to explain a few other things about what used to be right here and is now up there, but it's gonna be a different video. It's a tough topic. Anyways, I was not planning on doing anything today, but I started working on the orange truck and I got super carried away without my camera. So I need to get you guys caught up at least. That's why I'm using my phone right now. And so like I said, we're doing a solid axle swap in this. I don't know if anyone else caught on to that or not. So I will show you right here. Anyways, the cat's kind of out of the bag. We have a Dana 60 out of a Dodge, which if any of you guys have a spindle or a parting out a 2000 to 2002 Dodge Ram, I need the passenger side spindle. It cracked, if you can see. It broke, it busted off, so I need a new spindle. So if any of you guys have one, I will gladly buy it and pay for shipping. Like I said, wasn't really planning on doing anything today. I got way further than I thought I was going to in the time being, so I just gotta get you guys caught up. I started dropping everything, and I'll go over everything on the other side. The CV axles were already out, basically, so I got this side still in, so I need to take these bolts out right here, which are your caster camber bolts, I guess. The CV axles, 6 Allen, 8mm Allen head bolts right here, a 36mm nut right here. I took the shocks out. And you can pull the CV axles right out. Right now where I'm at, basically, I unbolted the 4 bolts. Well, I took the brakes off too, but I unbolted the 4 bolts that go to the mounting for the lift kit, which I got one still stuck in there. So the axle's about to come out. I need to unplug it, which is right here. This is your 4-wheel drive actuator. I don't know if you can see really. Oh boy. Come on. There we go. So 4-wheel drive actuator is unplugged. I'm pretty sure everything else is unplugged. I undid the vacuum line. The sway bar is off. CV axle's out. Bolts are out. Torsion bar is basically what we're going to do. So we're going to drop it down a little bit and then slide the bars forward out of the lower control arms. And here's the vent tube for the axle. It routes up here. I have it hanging right there. So, and the front drive shaft is out, which is 4 11mm bolts in here, and then you can slide it out of the transfer case. So like I said, I kind of went a little crazy without my camera, and I was just thinking to myself, like, holy crap, this would have been really good footage, and I'm sorry that I kind of skipped everything and I just had to go over it briefly. But I at least wanted to get this out here and show you guys everything that's going on. So in the next few minutes here, I'm gonna get this last bolt out and hopefully drop the axle out of the truck. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So cat's out of the bag, solid axle swap with a Dana 60 in the front. This thing's going up a few inches. I'm gonna put in the comments below what wheel and tire setup you think I'm going with size-wise. I will give you a hint. It's bigger than 33s, but I want you guys to guess. Other than that, take a rough guess of how much lift we're about to do, and I think that's it, guys. I'm gonna keep wrenching away. I'm actually having fun doing this. This is something for me, so I've wanted to do this for a really long time, so I'm gonna just keep hammering away at it, and we'll catch up in a few minutes. So it's been some time since I dropped an axle in one of these trucks, but I'm pretty sure I have everything done. So let's see if they come down. Uh-oh. got 2 bolts, and then this thing should come down. Right here, there is, hold on, let's see if I can find it. On the, what am I looking at? Right there. On the edge of the axle, there are some bolts. Gotta zip those out real quick. And then it should come down. Alrighty guys, now I took those 2 bolts out on that bracket right there. It's out. Dropped like a charm. Slid it off the torsion bars, which are still stuck in the keys. They've always been stuck in there, so anyways, I need to fight with this to get it out from underneath the truck somehow. But yeah, so the only 2 things for wires, you need just gonna have that 1 wire I showed you on the solenoid and that tube, and then unbolt the 4 bolts, all the steering components and suspension stuff right here, that 1 bracket, and she's out. So just like that, we have a pretty open area here. I'm wondering if for this, because I'm building the whole kit myself, I'm wondering if I'm gonna keep this and cut out the bottom of it and put the drag brace on here or something. I don't know, we gotta do a lot of planning, so we gotta figure out where the center of the axle was and everything, which we got a pretty good idea. It's about center of the axle is probably a little bit towards the back of this. It's probably about right there. So yeah, the axle's moved. I don't really know what else I'm gonna do today, so I'm gonna get this out from under here and into the garage somehow. And I think that's it for now. I'm putting the battery on a trickle charger because it was dead. But yeah, so we're gonna go bigger springs in the rear. Sorry if this has been zoomed in on my face. This is just kind of how the iPhone X records. Ignore that, children. Anyways, I need to fix my door. I actually hit a pole in the yard. So I have the other set of doors off the race truck, which is okay because these were messed up anyways. So we're gonna put the other doors on, and then I'm gonna get a wrap for this. So I want you guys to take a guess at what color we're gonna wrap that. Put that in the comments below too. Just spam this video in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was kind of a quick update. I'm gonna fight with this for a little while, and then we'll see you guys later. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you up later with a better video on this when I'm not on my phone, when I have more time and I'm not just going crazy. So we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. See you soon.